Brother or sister, welcome to this YouTube channel. This video is for someone who feels like this Forex thing is not working out. Every strategy you have tried, you keep losing money. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. This video is for you. I'm going to present to you something that I think or I believe might help you out. You are going to be doing this on your phone, and I believe it's going to be very profitable and it's going to help you recover your losses. So the first thing that you need to know to be able to trade this strategy is how to identify trends, and that should be simple. You need to know how to see an uptrend, and that is when price is moving in an upward direction. And then you also need to know how to identify a downtrend. That is when price is moving in a downward direction. Another thing that you need to know is how to identify engulfing candles. So you need to be able to see bullish engulfing candles of different types. And you also need to be able to see bearish engulfing candles of different types. The trading rules. First thing, you have to do everything on the daily time frame. So you stick to the daily time frame, no need for top-down analysis. Remember, we are keeping this as simple as possible. And for the zoom level, just zoom out until you can clearly see engulfing candles. All you need to be able to see are the engulfing candles. Don't switch to a very small candlestick size. Just make sure that you can be able to see the engulfing candles. Number two, if price is on a downtrend, you are only considering bearish engulfing candles. That is a bearish engulfing candle. There is another bearish engulfing candles. So if price is on a downtrend, you are only considering bearish engulfing candles. And on an uptrend, you only consider bullish engulfing candles. Okay, that's a small bullish engulfing candle. You only consider bullish engulfing candles. Look at this small downtrend. You could consider this bearish engulfing candle. For the entry rule, you have to place a sell trade at the opening of a new candle after a bearish engulfing candle. So first thing, you identify the trend, it's a downtrend, and after identifying the trend, you notice a bearish engulfing candle. Once you see the bearish engulfing candle, you have to target times of the opening of new daily candles. So at the beginning of a new daily candle, if the previous candle was a bearish engulfing candle, you place a sell trade. It's the same thing for a buy trade. Price is on an uptrend, and right here it has made a bullish engulfing candle. So at the opening of that new candle, you place your buy trade. After placing the buy trade, you put your stop loss just below the candles. Okay, same thing for a sell. After entering the sell trade right here, you put your stop loss just above the engulfing candle. For the take profit, you have to stay a bit alert because you are only going to be trading the following candle after the engulfing candle. So once this following candle closes, you take your profits. Lastly, let me show you how you are going to maximize your profits. Let's say price was on an uptrend, okay, and right here you saw a bullish engulfing candle on the uptrend, and you took the trade and placed your stop loss right at the bottom of the engulfing candle. This is your stop loss, and your entry is right at this point. This is your entry. Okay, after placing your first trade right here, here is what you are supposed to do. You hold and see how price plays out. If price pulls back and moves towards your stop loss until it gets to the place where it is equal to the previous red candle, you place another buy trade right here. So this is your trade number 2. This is trade number 1. And if price continues to move towards your stop loss until it is at the middle of the engulfing candle, you place your third trade, okay? And if price continues approaching to your stop loss just towards the bottom of your engulfing candle, you can place your fourth trade. This is the reason why. Since you are placing trades towards your stop loss, it means you are risking less, because if these trades don't make it and price hits your stop loss, you are going to lose less, because for example, this fourth trade is so close to your stop loss and this third trade is so close to your stop loss. So these trades don't affect you much. But if you happen to enter them and you have price pulling back to your direction, you are going to have these trades as your snipper entries. Your trade number 3, number 4, and number 2 are going to your snipper entries. So you are applying a little bit of profit maximization. Once these trades are in profit, you are going to have several trades in profit in blue, okay? And that is what we want. That is how you are going to be maximizing profits. Let me just make a recap. First thing, you have to open your trading app at the opening of new daily candles, okay? So when you know that this is the time of the beginning of new daily candles, you open your trading app, and what you are looking for is for the trend. If price is on an uptrend, you know that you are going to be looking for bullish engulfing candles, okay? You look for bullish engulfing candles. And once you see the bullish engulfing candle, you take the buy trade at the opening of the new candle. After the bullish engulfing candle, you take a buy trade. After taking the buy trade, you put the stop loss at the beginning of your engulfing candle, and after putting your stop loss, you wait. If price pulls back until it is where the previous candle is, you place your second trade. If it pulls back again towards the middle of the engulfing candle, you place your third trade. And if it is towards the end of the engulfing candle, you place your fourth trade. Okay, all these are buy entries. All right. And once you have done that, let's say this was the engulfing candle. Okay, remember you are only supposed to trade the following candle. So if the following candle closes right at this point, that's just it. You take your profits right there. That's it about this strategy. Please watch this video again and again until you understand it very well. Thank you for watching.